So I have all the pieces laying out here. We got the 4 corner pieces, all of the slats. They're all the same size because this is a square bin. And then there's the spacers in the bag, directions. And then this is a nice bonus book. This is a mini book for garden beds and composting. It's pretty substantial. This is pretty rough, so you might want to wear gloves to avoid splinters. So I noticed that some of these ends here, a little bit chipped, but I can't imagine that's going to be a problem getting those down into the grooves. For the first step, what we're going to do is take one of the boards and we're going to create one side of the wall by placing a corner on top and pushing it down. That slides in pretty good. And we're going to do this for the second one. And so that's step 1 in forming a wall. We're going to do this for our second wall now. Okay, so there's a second wall. And then we're going to get a board and connect both of those sides. I'll get 2 boards. So we're going to slide this down on this end. And then slide it down on this end. That couldn't be easier. Very simple. I'll turn a little bit so you can see a bit better. So at this point, we've done step 1. We built the wall and a wall. Step 2, we built the frame. And so at this point, it's just a matter of doing spacer, board. And then we'll build up all 4 walls until we run out. All right, and that brings us to the top. So the pieces slid in super easy. I didn't have to use a mallet or anything. Just had to wiggle them a little bit. Let's get the other sides done and we'll get it completed. All set. All right, I've got it all built. It took me about 10 minutes. And with all of the parts constructed, I have 2 spacer pieces left over. So that's nice in case some of your wood chips or you have some sort of issue. And construction of this is really nice. The parts are very well built. They all line up. Everything went down with a little wiggling. Most of the pieces were really easy to slide in. As I got to the end, I had to wiggle it a little bit more. That final wall was a little tougher than the others, but I didn't have to use a mallet or anything. I did it all by hand. So the really nice thing about this is that if you want to, say, open up this side to be your point of access, all you need to do is remove the slats, and then you can have this down to the whatever level you need it to be as far as the height of your compost. So for easy access with a shovel or a pitchfork to turn it over, whatever you need to do with your compost. And as it grows, you can just add the slats, tried and true design. And it's a great compost bin.
Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.